Here's the model list, so you can pause the video and read everything about it. But we can look under the bonnet and see more about it. Can you open it, please? Yeah, so we have the carbon fiber intake, we have a couple of more mods. And for the rest, it's a good, all reliable K20, and then it runs on Cup 2 tires, Nissan 350Z brake calipers, so it's a bit grippier than stock, but the pads could use some upgrade because we already did a lap, as usually traditionally speaking. Yeah, lots of revs, and because FN2 has this very interesting way of display, because you have revs underneath and speedometer on top, and I could put 2 GoPros and show you both, but I'm a bit lazy, to be honest, and I think with K20 engines it's more important to know what kind of reps you're doing if you're above 8,000 and hitting the rev limiter. Yeah, and for the rest it was good fun, very good, good license plate, by the way. Plate game is on point, and everything else, yeah, I would say enjoy the lap. We'll tell you more during the lap itself, and thank you very much for the opportunity. It's always nice. Enjoy.
Go to the lap. Okay, Misha.
Okay.
Time to red light party.
Yes.
Boy.
Yeah.
Autek today is not good working.
this VSA check?
Nie nadążył za tobą. No problem.
Okay. Was nice.
Yes.
Very good.
Jak w porównaniu z innymi FN2?
Yeah, FN2 is good. I think camber on the front wheels, because it's lots of understeer.
Yes.
And differential.
Differential, yes.
yes.
No.
But also the camber probably.
Okay.
And a bit better.
Suspension
Is soft, and the brake pads can be also a bit better.
Tak?
Yeah, but for the rest is
Okay.
engine is good.
Good power?
Always, yes.